Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today I have 3 DIYs for you. You know I'm not really that into Valentine's Day, so they're kind of just farmhouse. This first project is a candle holder that I saw on Pinterest, and I was inspired and decided to make it. I thought it was very cute. It's kind of boho, kind of farmhouse-ishy, so I thought it was very cute, and I really liked it, so I decided to give it a try. So I cut this plastic container that I had. It had some like candy-coated popcorn in it. It was very easy to cut. I just took my blade and made a hole, and then I took some scissors and cut around the rest of it. I just took some hot glue and started the rope, and just put some glue here and there. And yes, I do have my little finger things on so I don't burn myself. I've burnt myself quite a few times. Pretty bad too. That hurts. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gluing this around. And then after I get it started, then I just start wrapping it so it's a little easier. I kind of push down so it doesn't slide off the bottom. It takes a minute, I think, because the plastic is so thin. It's not melting, but it's not adhering as easily as it would. So I just have to hold it a little bit more and press on it. So after I get the rope all on it, I'm going to make these little tassels. And I just take this yarn and I wrap it around my fingers. I keep my fingers spread out a little bit because I want it to be a little bigger than the size of my hand. I lay it down and then I tie the top of it. You can see how I'm doing it. I just tie a little knot there and keep a little loop so I could put some twine through there. And I'm sorry I'm out of the picture. I don't realize I'm doing that. Hopefully I'll be getting some new equipment soon. Then I'll take my comb and I want to kind of spread my yarn apart so it's more fuzzy looking. So now I take my twine and I wrap it around the container and I put my little tassels on. I made 5 of them, and I just spaced them out evenly. I'm trying not to forget any of the little spots so it doesn't come undone. So after I get them all on there, like I said, I made a little knot. I wrapped it around. I made sure they were high enough to where they were just touching the bottom of the canister. I didn't want them like dragging. So there I am, just tying a little knot. I cut off my excess twine and then I space them out evenly. I'm so sorry I'm out of the frame, but you can pretty much imagine what I'm doing, and you'll see in a minute how they're spaced out. I don't measure them. I do a lot of stuff by eye. So now you'll see, in the last frame, you'll see that this was already painted. I started this filming yesterday, and then I finished it today. So I got this little crate at Goodwill for, I think, $1.99 or something like that. I thought it was cute. I was going to make like a Valentine box, put some hearts on it, glue some hearts on it, but I was going to give it to this little girl that I know, but then I just decided to make it like a farmhouse box because it's like a crate, kind of farmhousey. So I have so many boxes, old boxes, and I want to figure out something I can make with all of them. So I took one you'll see in the next project, and I used it for this, but I need some more ideas. I have so many of them. I probably have about 6 of them in all different sizes. Okay, so now you'll see this has about 2 coats on it. And then now I printed a design I got from my silhouette store. I just put the words in Farmhouse, and this came up, and I bought it. I think it was 59 cents. They give you a free, I think, $10 a month for your subscription, and I believe you pay $9.99 a month for your subscription. So you're actually getting $10 worth of free designs, so you're pretty much getting it for free. I never use my whole $10, but it carries over. And like I said, this silhouette cameo is the best thing I ever invested in. So then I just put this on the top. Call from +1. Sorry about that. That was my phone. And I just carefully, because sometimes when I'm painting, the vinyl doesn't stick that well, but today it seems to be doing all right. It seems to be coming off okay. I'm just making sure I'm rubbing it really hard. See, it wasn't bad at all. Sometimes the paint doesn't allow it to stick that good. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it's adorable. I'm going to use it for my my melting wax. I have a whole bunch of different kinds, and I'm going to put it in there. So here's one of those boxes I was talking about. I have about 6 of these in all sizes, from this size on up to maybe 3 feet long. I don't know what my husband used them for, maybe tools, all kinds of stuff, but I really don't want to get rid of them. I'd like to, find something to do with them. So now I painted this box white, of course, and now I'm just painting the hinges black, and I'm also going to paint the knob black. You can tell this box is very old. Then after that, I take some contact paper and I cut some 3-inch squares, and I'm going to use the rest of these handles that I got for my desk that I made in my last 2 videos ago. I wanted to use some of the handles that I had left over because I think I got 20 of them for $9.99 from Amazon. So right now I'm just measuring where I want to put my contact paper and my handles. And then I carefully just lift up the backing and attach it to the box. I think this turned out cute as well. I'm just not sure if I should add something to the top of it. So when you see the completed box, let me know what you think. Do you think I should add a design from my cameo on the top? Maybe a monogram with my last initial on there. Right now I'm just drilling some holes to start my screws. These screws aren't the easiest to get in there. And I'm not about to break my hands to put them in. So I'm just doing the best I can, and then that's it. I'm done. I think I need a bigger screwdriver. Okay, so here's my finished projects. Like I said, there's my little melter, so I put the wax boxes in this box. Here's my finished apothecary cabinet. And do you see what I mean? Do you think I need something on the top, maybe in some black vinyl? And here's my little candle holder. I figured I could use it for like my old candles, my Christmas candles. This way you can't see the Christmas design. Guys, if you liked my project, please hit that subscribe button. I could really, really, really use the support. Hit that like button. Watch out for our open invite collabs this month. And love you. Bye-bye.